Yes, hello everybody, hi to all, good evening, and today I have this log, two very interesting log. Dome. In my practice I not meet this log, never, I not have K. Second part have this modification of log. So I use tensioner 6.06 millimeter, very thin and very thin profile. I want to see how look okay, because here something not standard. Okay, and just a moment. 5 ask. Oh, this is very high pin. And 4. And 5. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes, I think. First time I start from end. Now we'll look what this give or not. This is interesting. Here we have this log out something and 4 out 2, 5 I think out. Okay, and first, second, third, 4. Okay, first, second, third, nice. And now, how I got him, I don't know, really. Now we try. I put on quick record after, but now I need
to find way to get him. I don't know. And yes, maybe I put pause. Maybe I don't know. I think before, but what I don't know. Just a moment, ladies and gentlemen. We come here. Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and now we can to look what kind of story was in this log.
To say real, for me this is surprise. I not wait to this picture, and I want to look if some yes have second and third have cutting line. Yes, I can't to say I feel this cutting line very good, no, but here and here this is not no, not something but second and third driver pins, what kind of modification. This is little spool with just a moment, how to show normal focus. I need this, just a moment, I take with my arm with will move it, and second arm help, no, close, just a moment. So this is little spool, with some parts up and down, and in K-pin too we have interesting pins, mushrooms, I don't know how to say this in English language, and this pin first and third, so, and second, third spools, and this is barrels. Yes, I not mistake, barrel pin. Yes. So this is nice lock. Yes. No. Interesting pin. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.